Hi, today's discrepant event is called Miraculous Milk. And what you will need is a plate with some water, a plate with milk, liquid soap, and food coloring. So this is what we're going to do. If the camera can get close, I'm going to drop a drop of food coloring on the milk. It looks like it's boiling. Drop of red. Look at that reaction. Looks beautiful. A drop of green. Oops. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of liquid soap. Now, what do you think will happen to the solution as soon as I put the soap in? You just saw what happened without anything, just the dye in the milk. Think about it. Think about it for a second. What do you think would happen if I put soap in the liquid with the tie-dye? What's going to happen to the colors? Let's try and see. So as you can see, the colors immediately repel to the side. However, the bottom, if the camera can get close, and you can actually see the bottom, the colors at the bottom are actually kind of coming back and then being repelled again on the top. Do you see that? It's kind of like making a cycle again and again. And then it's repelling again. You see it moving here. But I can still see at the bottom, the red color at the bottom is still going that way. And you have some green also coming this way and some blue on the other side, which is quite interesting. Why do you think that happened? Is that what you expected to happen? Now let's give it a try with water. Let's put a little drop of food dye. Now think about it. What is your prediction? What will happen in water? And as you can see, the dye is kind of dense because it immediately went to the bottom of the water. We have red. Let's close this up. Let's see what happens to the green. Oops, a little bit too much. Now, really quickly, the camera can show you what's happening here. Do you see like the waves? So it's repelling and coming back. Look at the waves. Can you see them? And look at the waves it's formed all over. It's quite interesting. Okay, now let's think. Is it going to have the same reaction when we do it with water? And we'll see what happens. So it kind of repelled a little bit, but not much. You don't see the cycle going on. If the camera can point over here, look at the waves. That is showing me that there's a cycle going on underneath, right? It's repelling on the top, on the surface, and then coming back at the bottom and then repelling again, because I can see the waves. But here, with the water, it just repelled and it, nothing much happened there. Which makes me think, what does milk have that water doesn't? And that's something that we're going to find out in today's class.